Hi Kylie, I'm here to answer your question about the probability and statistics behind giving away a new car. So we have 460 keys. One of them will start the car, and that's the one that's the winner. And the probability that a certain person wins the car is equally likely for each key that's given out. This will help us for part A. So the distribution is going to be, well, the probability that the winner is 1 equals the probability that the winner is 2, and that's equal to every other probability, all the way through the probability that the winner is key number 460. The parameter, the definition of a parameter, is some inference about the population. So here, I won't give it away, but you want to identify the population and what we are trying to conclude about the population. So you've been given a key. Now we want the probability that your key starts the car. So the probability that you win is, well, there's only one possible option, and there's a total of 460. I'm sorry, there's only one possible option to win, and there are 460 options total. So that's the probability that you win is 1 over 460. You can write this as a decimal if you'd like, but a fraction's typically fine. So then for C, anyone whose key is numbered 33 to 72 will receive a coupon worth $1,000 off the price of the new car. So we want the probability that you win one of these coupons. So again, we want to say, well, how many keys could actually win that coupon? Well, 33 to 72 is a possible 40. And then again, out of a total of 460 keys. So you might want to reduce this a little bit. That's equivalent to 4 out of 46, which is equivalent to 2 out of 23. So that's the probability that you receive one of these coupons. Then to calculate the mean and standard deviation, we're just going to follow some formulas. So the mean, the way we calculate the mean, is we're going to take the sum for all values of x, and x, in this case, x goes from 1 to 460. And we're going to take that x, I'm going to label as xi. So x1 represents key 1, x2 represents key 2. So xi represents key I, where I goes from 1 to 460. So the way we find the mean is the sum for all possible values of x, in this case 1 to 460, of the x times the probability that we get that value. Well, keep in mind the probability for each of these keys is the same, and then our xi just changes by 1 every time, so we're going to do 1 times the probability that it's key 1, which is 1 over 460, plus, okay, well the next one's 2, so it's 2 times what's the probability that it's key number 2, that's again 1 over 460, and we're going to keep doing this all the way until we get to 460 times, again, the probability that it's 460. So you're going to multiply all of that out, add it up. You'll see that this can simplify to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up to 460 divided by 460. So if that helps to plug it in, you can also find a formula for that sum and then just divide by 460. From there, you're going to do a very similar thing for the standard deviation. I encourage you to use your notes to look at that formula. It's going to be similar to the mean, but we're going to use that formula for standard deviation.